Well, hey there everyone, Kaye here on my homestead. We are back. Just cranking it out here. So much going on, and I'm sharing my life with you with cats on the homestead. That's the purpose of my channel. From sustainability, self-sufficiency, preparedness, growing your own food, preserving your own food, having a little fun with the cats, you know, it's just whatever. And just sharing my life. So if that interests you and you're not subscribed, I hope you will subscribe. Click the bell for notifications, scroll down and click all. Well, today I want to talk about sweet peas. Grow what you love to eat. And I love to eat sweet peas, green peas. People call them different things. I love snow peas as well. And so I want to get my peas ready for planting. Now, we have this deep freeze happening this week. Tonight it's 26, tomorrow night it's 20, and then it goes down all the way to 9. And so I'm not going to be planting anything, but at the end of 9 or 10 days, it's going to be 65. So rather than try to break through really cold, crusty soil and be outside, I'm going to start my sweet peas, my green peas inside. Now, it is recommended to plant beans and peas directly in the soil. But in a situation like this, where I could use this week to get these started, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you this fabulous seed tray that I purchased from Haas Tools. I'm now an affiliate, but I did purchase that. And I tried it last year or the year before, and it worked great. I got my peas up to this tall before I set them out, and they did well. And many times when I have put the seeds directly in the garden, it's very spotty and I have to come back and put more seeds, and then they're at different heights, and it hasn't worked as well as it has with this. Now, you may have a perfectly manicured garden, and then you're going to want to, with good weather, and you're going to want to put them right in the soil. But it does say special germination instructions is to soak seed in water for 12 to 24 hours before sowing. It's not required, but it hastens germination. Well, if we've got 60-degree weather in 9 days, I want to hasten germination. So I'm going to take the night. I'm going to soak these, get them started in soaking them, and then I will put them in the seed tray. Well, it's already noon, so I probably won't be up at midnight to put them in. So first thing in the morning, I'll put them in the tray. Right now, I want to just point out my varieties because I have several affiliates, okay? And you can see them all below the video. Some give discounts and some just help my channel. So I hope you support me. I am an affiliate for botanical interests, and I've grown these seeds more than any other. They have a wonderful snow pea called the Oregon Sugar Pod 2. So they've worked on this to make it really good and prolific. But I noticed going through my seeds, I only have less than one whole pack. A little disappointing. This I bought for last year. I never got a chance to plant it. And there's only, I don't know, it feels like only a handful in here. But this is Roughwood Seeds. It's a seed collection of very, very heirloom seeds. And I wanted to try it. It's called Arbogast Sugar Pea. And I've also got, I'm trying this for the first time this year. You know, you should always try something new. And I ordered True Love seeds. And I don't know if you've heard of these, but this is Pois Géant sans parchemin. Let me try that again in my best French accent. Pois Géant sans Parchemin. I hope I did that right. It's been a long time. This is a deliciously sweet and productive snow pea with gigantic thin pods, about 4-inch tall, with gorgeous violet and maroon blooms. That right there is enough to want to grow it, right? French heirloom described by Darwin and Vermeuren in the mid-19th century. 40 seeds. So there's 40 seeds in here. I believe that tray, I may not get these all planted in that tray. We'll see. But the great thing about that tray is it has a kind of a pointed long thing, and the roots can really go down. And so for something bigger like a pea, you want that. So let's see, those are the varieties. This is a snow pea. This is a snow pea. And was this one, the Arbogast, is the local Pennsylvania Dutch name for Landeth's tall sugar pea, as described in David Landreth's seed catalog of 1884. Is that cool or what? So my understanding is these are sweet, meaning green peas, meaning the fat ones. and these are the snow peas, the flat pods. You harvest them when they're flat, and then you eat the whole pod. These you harvest. Only a beginner needs to know this. Everybody else knows this, but you may be a beginner, and I hope you have found my channel, because I have a lot of great tips for beginners. And the green pea develops in the pod to, pea size, green pea size, and you don't eat the pod, because by that point it's not that great. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put them in individual so I can keep track. I have a jar for each one of these. I'm going to put them in water, and then we're going to go outside. This is filtered water. If you've never tried botanical interest seeds, there is a great deal of information inside the seed packet. So what I'm going to do is just show you. You open it and take the seeds out. This side piece comes off fairly easily. They do use some adhesive, so if you want to preserve all of the information, I mean the entire thing, is loaded with information. You can't go wrong. I'm going to do this. I don't know why these are so dark brown, but the fact that they're heirloom intrigues me a great deal. And guess what? This is also an heirloom, and they're brown. So, these are brand new, so it's not like they've been sitting around a while. These I got last year. So, that's the lineup. And now we're just going to give them a nice bit of water. And we are going to let them sit. That's a little cloudier because there was some mycorrhizae in here. That's what I order from fungi.com, and I forgot to order it this year, so I've already planted a lot of seeds without it. My sound guy didn't come today, so trying to get it together. Okay, here we are on my back porch. I'm going to move this over here. Here is the seed tray. And I forgot, I think it's 172. I don't know if I'm just pulling that number out of my head. 1, 2, 3, 18. Oh dear. 9 times 8 is 72. That's 2, carry your 7. 9 times 1 is 9, 7. So that's 162. Did I do that right? Now you can really see the cells. But you can see it's about 2 inches long and it goes straight down. So you can get a lot of seeds in here. And the roots these are shaped like cones, so they go straight down. Normally I would hose this off, but it's, I think, 36 degrees. It doesn't seem to be leaking from the wall. That's good. It's just leaking, where it's attached. You have this incredible tray that it goes with, and it's a little larger, which is a good thing, because if you've got this many cells and you had I imagine if you had a really tight tray, you could fill the tray all the way up and you still wouldn't get enough water to all the seedlings. Hi, BJ. Come say hi. Hi. It's wet over here. Watch out. Watch out, it's wet. And because the chimney is right above my head, it's a little on the smoky side. I think this is going to be smartest to use when you're growing one thing, all peas or all tomatoes or all, so you're not trying to have to keep everybody happy. I'm using Pro Mix, which is a BX, I think. It has the mycorrhizae in it, but it's also got a few little sticks. And I added, for the first time, I never add anything to my seed starting mix, but today I would try azomite because my friend Daryl swears by it now. I haven't asked him if he's using it in starting mix or not. It is falling through the little holes, so I will dump the starting mix out of the tray. And there you have it. So that's ready to go for tomorrow morning. Okay, so this is my last collected sticks / kindling. Now, the last time I got any out of this is when I found that snake skin. The one that was about 3 to 4 feet long. That one. Wouldn't you know, this is why I'm always telling you community is so important. That my neighbor Derek, he texted me this morning and said, do you need any sticks? And he had filled up the back of his side-by-side. I said, as a matter of fact, I do. First, I'm going to load up my cart, and then we'll go and get the sticks off the driveway. room. Oh well, can't have everything. Thinking I'm going to be tired and not want to have to cook dinner, so I've got myself some Force of Nature bison hot dogs, fully cooked. Yay! Well, thanks for coming along on that little task, and tomorrow we will be planting the pea seeds, and I want to show you what they look like and everything after they've plumped up. But we'll see. I'm going to see before I go to bed tonight. You know, I'm going to check about 8 o'clock and see. see. But I'm hopeful. We have to have hope, right? And so I've got to get 2 cats in and some kindling in, because the fire will be going all night. And there's so much more to do and to share, and I'm so privileged to get to share my life with you. So thank you for joining me, and please subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you in the very next video. Okay, I wanted to show you, I'm just pulling a couple of pieces of kindling out for tomorrow morning, and what does that look like? I'll tell you what it looks like. It looks like a mouse was taking the insulation out of my insulation in my shop and making a little nest. Yeah. So, I don't know how you can make insulation that is mouse proof, right? BJ, get the mouse. Get it. Get it. Get the mouse. Come on. Where's the mouse? Get it.